Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how I do my simple and affordable morning skincare. As you can see, I have a big pimple on my face. It's been there for weeks now, and what I do when I get pimples is that I just ignore it basically, because I think it's the best way to treat it so that it won't leave any scar on the face. So, I usually don't buy really expensive products, but that doesn't mean I'm sacrificing the quality of the products that I use. It took me a while before I was able to find the perfect products for my skin, so I just want to give you an idea of some affordable items that are usually good. I usually start with cleansing my face using papaya soap. I know this is not very typical, but in the Philippines, we are used to using papaya soap mainly because we believe that it's a skin lightener. But as I researched more about it, I found out that using papaya soap has a lot of other benefits as well. Aside from being made from natural ingredients, it is rich in vitamin C, which can reduce irregular pigmentation and stimulate collagen production. It is also rich in vitamin A, which promotes the production of new skin cells and may help reduce dark spots, blemishes, and scars. I also use this Korean product called Heimish All Clean. I don't know if I'm saying it right. I discovered this product here in New Zealand and thought that I should give it a try because a lot of Korean face products are very popular nowadays. The good thing about this face cleanser is that it's really gentle to the skin. So if you have a sensitive skin type like me, I definitely recommend this product. After I'm done with washing my face, I proceed with this Rosehip Micellar Water by Asano. This is a New Zealand brand. I chose this brand because I wanted to start using organic products for my face. This is so far the best one that I have used from this brand, and I've already tried all of their products, and this and their eye cream are two of my favorites. I use this in place of a face toner because it basically does the same thing. It cleans off any residual dirt, especially if you wore makeup or if you like wearing makeup, and rebalances the skin's pH levels from washing the face. Next, we have the eye cream. I use the same brand, which is Asano, and by the way, this brand is not only organic but also very affordable. Then we have the essence. Essence is basically the same with serum. They add another layer of hydration to the skin, especially after all the cleansing that we have done. The only difference is that essence is more lightweight. That's why I prefer this over using a serum. I've seen other people patting it on the face, but I prefer spreading it. But you can do whatever is comfortable with you. So if you want to pat, then there's no problem with that. Now we're moving on to the moisturizer. I use Nivea Daily Essentials Protecting Day Cream, which has an SPF 30. This is also lightweight because I don't like putting heavy products on my face, especially since I don't wear makeup that much. And this is why I also love using this. And the last step is using this aloe vera gel on my face. I use this as an additional moisturizer for my skin, especially during the winter time. Now I just have to let my face dry, and then I usually put on some powder after this. So that is it. I know my skin is not perfect, but I do hope that you were able to get a few ideas for your own skincare in this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you like these types of videos, sound off in the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you and see you in the next one.